Hello everyone. This video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to see the interview questions of 3rd April for the cybersecurity role and Python developer role. So must watch this video till the end because all the questions are very important and you should not miss each and every question. So let's get started. So it is for the cyber security role, and it took in the evening today. So let's discuss then. First of all, he was asked some Java questions. He has to write factorial, palindrome, inheritance, and polymorphism. This is the first that he was asked. After that, he directly went to the SQL, in which he has to write second largest salary, create an insert operation. He has to perform the operations using create and insert. After that, he totally went into cybersecurity. So this is the main part of this video. So the first question he was asked was phishing. What is the definition of cybersecurity? What is DOS? Concept familiar with. He was familiar with some concept. Encryption and decryption with examples. This is the important question. If you are preparing for Cognizant role, cybersecurity role, must prepare. What is decoding and encoding? Recent attacks means cyber attacks. It means and ATM pin storage. This is the question that he did not expected. So this is very important. What is vulnerability? Means what are the disadvantages and what is threat, risk, and difference between authorization and authentication. All these questions I have already mentioned in my PDF, which is I have given a week ago. So mostly all of questions are from there. Now he has a experience in his resume. So he was asked some questions according to the this question: what is manifest file, activity fragment, and what are components in Android development? After that, he has three HR questions. Is he ready to relocate to another location? Are you able to work for night shift? And why do you want to join Cognizant? So these are the questions that he has been asked. And at the end, he also gave me a message like explain email validation in JavaScript. So he has to answer all these questions. These are totally for cybersecurity rule. So must prepare all these questions. They are very important. This is the first interview questions that we got for cybersecurity rule. So don't miss this. I will be sharing the details in the upcoming. So let's see for the next. For its candidate too. He was asked for Java. So let's discuss like first introduction, then what were you doing for the last year because he has gap in his resume. Explain OOPS with real life examples. Write a Java program to print the first 50 prime numbers. What is DOM in HTML? Write an SQL query to find the second highest salary. Are you ready for 6 months of training in Chennai? This question is asked many question for many candidates as you can see in my PDF. I will be sharing after time. Explain the difference between abstract class and interface. What are joins in SQL? Explain different types, means inner join, outer join. What is multi-threading in Java? How does it works? It is a OS question. And what is the difference between equals and dot equals in Java? This question has been asked many times. I have already shared in the previous. What is the difference between delete and truncate? This question has already been asked. I have shared in my PDF in my Telegram channel as you have seen the questions I have shared. How does a garbage collection work in Java? Explain your project in detail. What challenges did you face while working on a project and how did you overcome them? This is the question that he has been asked. Now, for the third candidate, he has asked for the cluster 2 means for a Python. So you must pay attention to this because he did not ask any introduction questions. He directly asked the first question: explain exception handling with examples. What is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy? So I don't know the answer of this question, but go through it. Write a Python program to implement bubble sort. I have mentioned this in many PDF and told you to must solve this question: bubble sort, merge sort, and quick sort. Write a Python program to sort an array. Write an Python program using try and except for exception handling. This is the new thing that I have seen today. Write a program to replace vowels in name with numeric values. Print the new name and count the numbers of replacement. As you can see, this is for GenC Pro role, so the level of questions are very hard, so you need to practice everything. Explain your project in detail, focus on your role and responsibilities. Be ready for in-depth technical question. He has already mentioned that be ready for depth in technical questions. This is the same question. Why do you want to join Cognizant? I think this is for everybody. They ask this question. If you are assigned a project in a new technology, how will you handle it? Is that is a behavioral question, and if you got any task, how will you handle? They want to see your management and leadership skills. So you have to show them by a great example. You should show how will you manage a multiple task with the same deadline. This is the questions. This is very important. I have already asked this question to my in my mock interviews. What will you do if your teammate is not cooperating on a project? This is a very important question. If you find a critical bug close to the project deadline, what will be your approach? How would you handle a situation where work is not appreciated despite your efforts? This is also a very good question. What will you do if you miss deadline due to unforeseen circumstances? What is the difference between a list, tuple, and a set in Python? Again, he was asked to write a Python program to count the occurrence of each word in a string. Explain the map, filter, and reduce function with examples. Write a Python program to find the factorial of a number using recursion. What are generators in Python? Write an example using yield. And how does Python handle memory management and garbage collection? After these questions, he said to me that the interview said is very good. You have a very good technical knowledge. So as you can see, this is the very toughest interview I have seen till today. So I think he maybe gets selected because of these questions. So you should prepare well for these questions. So that's it for today. But I want to share you some important thing. Like as you can see, yeah, here are the questions. Here is a updated PDF in our Telegram channel that every questions I have mentioned here, all the questions from day one to day all are listed here. And for more important thing, yes, I want you to share. Yeah, Cognizant SQL queries. Please download this because I have seen that mostly all the questions are coming from these SQL queries. And interview questions are also mentioned here that it will be really be very helpful for you. So you must join our Telegram channel and also yes, in the doc file you will be seeing this file which will be available in our Telegram. There you can see all the candidates interview question I have mentioned here from 1st April to today. Here you can see all the questions. It is for Python developer that I showed in the third one. It is for this, and I will be also mentioning the latest for cybersecurity role just now. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe and join our Telegram channel for this link. Thank you everyone for watching this video.